back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we are going to get the alarm installed. I told you guys I was getting an alarm put on my car, man. You have to get one when you're driving around one of these Mopars, just in case you decide to stop somewhere. You gotta have some kind of security for your car, guys. So I'm getting this alarm installed. This is supposed to be one of the top alarms you can buy for these cars. It's supposed to include a kill switch. It also has the shock sensor, so it has a whole bunch of features that you would need when you got a car like this. The people always trying to steal your wheels, steal the whole car, whatever the situation is. They always trying to steal something when it comes to dealing with these Mopars. So I'm on my way up here now, guys. I'm going to drop it off. It's probably going to be a second for y'all, but it's going to be a few hours for me. I'm going to have the guy go over all the features so you guys can see exactly what the alarm entails. And hopefully, maybe it's something you guys might want to get on your car. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's get this video started. Let's go. All right, this is the shop, guys. Soundworks. They got everything up in here, too. They do stereos and everything in here. Real nice shop. If you want to upgrade your stereo, they got it all. They do everything in here. This is the exact spot I got my alarm installed for my wide body. They do everything. They got amps, speakers, everything in here. Window tint, they do it all.
Later that same evening.
There she go. Time to pick her up, guys. Now, he did say there was a part of the alarm that he couldn't finish today because of the ways Chrysler did the new security system. So I'll have him explain all that stuff to you guys. Let's go ahead and get the car.
You'll download the app. Two separate systems. You got your factory system,
okay,
and then you've got the new CompuStar system.
Okay.
All right, we kept them separate for the code hopping thing.
Okay.
All right. Few things. Keep in mind, when this is armed, your system's armed.
Okay.
You unlock it with this, or if you walk up and touch your handle and unlock it, the alarm's going to go off.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
So what we did is we also set this up for proximity unlock.
Okay.
So after you've armed the vehicle and you go to walk up to it, it'll sense when this is close and it'll automatically disarm it.
Okay.
So we turn that feature on. You can turn it on or off. We turn that feature on, so hopefully you don't have to pull this out of your pocket every time. Hit unlock.
Gotcha.
Again, go. You know what I mean? Do that whole deal. As you're walking up, you should disarm.
Okay.
You should be able to touch the handle and then go ahead and get in.
Okay.
That does not work once it's remote start. So when you take this, you press and hold this.
Okay.
That'll remote start. The proximity unlock does not work when it's remote start.
Okay. Okay,
So,
I heard the stuff. Okay,
so when you
cool.
walk up, you'll have to hit unlock in that case.
All right, no problem.
We'll work with it.
Okay.
We're hoping that they change the programming on that at some point soon.
Okay.
We've got two remotes. This one here, press and hold. It'll shut it down.
Okay.
Press once, it locks and arms it.
Okay.
Press it twice, unlocks and disarms.
Okay.
All right, so
Okay.
this is kind of like your backup spare.
Got you. I was wondering.
So
Okay.
got some,
Okay.
You know what I mean? And then you've got this one here, simply unlock. Okay. Show everything on there. Says it's disarmed. You can also visually look at this. So if you're like, oh shoot, did I arm it? Did I not arm it? You can look at this and tell you if it's armed or disarmed. So there we go. Arm it that way.
Okay.
And then once again, press and hold. Give it a second. Lights will flash. It'll run.
Oh, wow.
And it'll also give you a rundown timer. So it'll count down right now. It'll run for 15 minutes.
Okay.
So eventually, after 15 minutes, it'll automatically shut off. So if you remote start it, you forget about it or something like that, it's not going to run all day long.
Gotcha.
It'll be shut off automatically.
Okay.
We adjusted the shock sensor. We turned it up, and we turned the tilt sensor up. We made the tilt sensor real sensitive because those wheels get stolen very frequently.
Right.
So if those need to be adjusted, let us know. You can go through the menus on here and adjust it through the remote.
Okay.
So do some research if you want. And
Gotcha.
You got full control of the system for the most part. There's some features that we would have to pull the brain out and reprogram.
Okay.
But you got a lot of the adjustments through here.
The kill switch part. Mm-hmm. The kill switch part. It's a little hiccup on that, but we're gonna figure it out. I guess he's gonna bring somebody else out here who can kind of tell me what's going on. But other than that, man, this alarm is pretty cool. I'm satisfied with it. I just would like to know if I'm at a mall or something and I leave my car out at the mall, which I probably would never do, is drive this car to the mall. At least if I do drive it somewhere I can be notified if somebody's messing with my car. That's my main thing right there. I don't want to be in the mall, come back out, and just completely oblivious of my car's been moved or stolen. Alright guys, there you have it, man. The new alarm is installed on the car. I do have to bring it back. It's a couple of things they got to tweak. But these guys are going to be going on vacation for a couple of days. And they did offer to keep the car, and then they can, work on it once they return from vacation. But the main parts of the alarm is cool. It's already working. So I'm going to bring it back, and they're going to, it says to take about another hour or so they can tweak some stuff. But like I said, the way Chrysler set up their new security system in these 23s, they had to do some tweaking. I got to get used to these daggone key fob things. Still some things that I'm not completely clear on how to use. So I don't want to start talking about the alarm and I'm not completely clear on what everything does or how it actually works. I got a little screen on my fob, alert me if somebody's bothering my car, if they try to jack it up, do anything. And also I have access to the drone app where I can locate the car, track the cars, there's a GPS on it. So there's a lot of different functions with this alarm. Not only the key fob, but I also have the app. And also they installed my neutral strap. And I'm gonna put a video in here for those who's not familiar with the neutral strap. I'm gonna include a video in this video explaining what it is. Check this out. All right, guys, what this does is prevent them from putting your car in neutral. If you own a Mopar, you definitely want to get the neutral strap. And I'm going to leave a code in the description where you guys can use and get 15% off. Definitely should get this if you own a Mopar. Now, here's a clear example of what happens if you do not have a neutral strap. Clearly, these guys walked up, put the car in neutral, and rolled it out the driveway. So it's very important that you get a neutral strap to prevent this from happening. And if you're interested in the neutral strap, check in the description. I'm going to leave a link where you can order it, and also my code you can use to get a discount, so you guys can get a discount on the neutral strap. I think that's very important. That way they can't just put your car in neutral and just roll it out of your driveway or just roll it off wherever they're going to try to take it from. That is very important. So if you have one of these cars, whether it's a HELLCAT 300, SCAT pack, whatever it is, you need that neutral strap. That's very important. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can order it and also get a discount using my code MEMUSCLE. Everything will be in the description. So hit the like button, subscribe guys, and I'll see y'all on the next one.